Lecture 1, Logging into Napkin AI. Welcome everyone. Before we dive into the exciting features of Napkin AI, we need to start with the very first step, logging in. It might sound basic, but logging in smoothly sets the stage for everything else. If you stumble at the start, it can be frustrating and distracting. So, today's goal is to make sure you are set up with confidence. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a Napkin AI account, sign in across devices, and solve common login issues so that you can quickly reach your dashboard and begin working without interruption. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to create a Napkin AI account or sign into an existing one. Understand which devices and browsers work best with Napkin AI. Manage common login difficulties without stress. Access your main workspace and be ready to generate your first visual. Creating your account. For that, you can just click in here as Napkin AI. Go to the official website. Here you have two options, sign in and get Napkin free. If you have already signed up for Napkin AI, you can just click in here to sign in. But if you're new to this tool, you can just click in here to sign up and start using Napkin AI. To start fresh, you can just click in here, get Napkin free and sign up for the Napkin AI and start using it. You can just click in here. So you have signed up with the Gmail that was already logged in your computer. Using Google is usually faster and avoids the hassle of remembering another password. Pro tip: sign up with a desktop browser. Napkin currently works best there, especially when you're creating and editing visuals. Logging in across devices. Napkin is web-based, which means no downloads or installations. Just open your browser and sign in. Best browsers: Chrome or Safari. On shared computers, always use incognito mode and log out when you're finished to protect your work. On mobile, you can view napkins, but creating and editing is smoother on a desktop. First look at the dashboard. When you log in, you will notice Napkin's interface is not cluttered. You will see a new napkin. Here you can see. You can just click in here and import from file that have been saved in your computer. Or if you have copied a text, you can just click in here as blank napkin and paste the text in here. But if you don't have text yet, you can just click in here as draft with AI. Type your thoughts directly in the text box. For example, you can just click in here. You can just write a prompt in here and it will generate the text according to your requirement. From there, hit the spark button. That's the heart of Napkin. It instantly turns your text into a visual diagram. Think of it as the ignite button that brings your ideas to life. Troubleshooting login issues. Sometimes small issues can interrupt your start. Here's how to handle them. Verification email missing. Check your spam folder and hit resend. Stuck at a blank screen? Clear your browser cache or refresh the page. Forgot your password? Use the forgot password link, it only takes a minute. If problems continue, Napkin's support chat is quick and helpful. Use it instead of wasting time guessing. Logging in may feel like a small step, but it's a gateway to turning ideas into visuals. Once you're inside Napkin, your words will start taking shape in a new and creative ways.